Hey, so we've got this Kia Optima in for a few upgrades. We're going to be changing out the halogen low beams to HID system. Might be doing something in the high beam, got to take a look at it. Customers got new bezels and LED turn signals that also double as a daytime running light, I believe. And finally, we'll do something with those fog lights so everything matches up nicely. So stay tuned, show you a little bit how this is going to look. All right, so we checked out a few options. We wanted to do LED in the low beams and fog lights possibly, but we settled on the Morimoto 9005 6K bulbs and 9006 6K bulbs for the fog lights, powered by Lightwerkz ballasts. It's 100% plug and play. The ballasts do fit inside the low beam cap, and in the high beam we're using the SV4 LED bulbs 9005. The DRL did not work out, so we settled on the Morimoto XVF amber LED bulbs and VLED's VLR6 resistors, which are plug and play. We'll show you how this looks in a second. And that's the Morimoto XVF turn signal. So you don't have that amber glow out of the turn signal area, but once it lights up, it's really bright and rich. It looks really good. And no hyper flash due to that resistor installed. And this is what the output looks like. Stock projectors. Again, 6K bulbs with the Lightwerkz ballast powering these up. Output looks really strong and uniform. And again, you got those matching fog lights, which looks awesome. And on this Kia, looks really, really good, especially with the LED daytime running lights that it comes with, or the LED strips inside the headlights. You still got that nice color flicker as well.